Manchester United striker Romelu Lukaku has the heavy burden of the number 9 shirt at Old Trafford, but it seems that he is thriving under pressure and is beginning to become a big favourite with supporters. The Belgian colossus struck his 25th goal of the season in all competitions at the weekend as United book their place in the semi-finals of the FA Cup, where they will face Tottenham at Wembley. Jose Mourinho's side eased past Brighton 2-0 courtesy of Lukaku and Nemanja goals, the perfect response to their disappointing Champions League exit just days earlier at the hands of Sevilla. However, it isn't the 24-year-old's latest goal that has got fans waxing lyrical on Twitter about the centre-forward. Lukaku went around the pitch to applaud fans after the cup success and is quickly becoming a cult hero following his arrival in the summer from Everton. Check out our video on football celebrity fans. There were concerns that Lukaku would struggle with his big money move to United, with a failed spell at Chelsea already on his CV, and he also had the big shoes of Zlatan Ibrahimovic to try and fill. He has quickly silenced the doubters and is still on course to smash the 30-goal barrier during his first campaign with the Red Devils. United supporters on social media can't get enough of him after his latest showing of passion, and one even tipped him to become a future captain.